guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today we're going to be reviewing these firefly lights that I got. They're solar powered, so during the day it'll catch some sun and at night they'll light up. They flash and they also do solid colors, or you can have them off. Really cute. They look like little fireflies, so in the middle of the garden at night it'll look so beautiful. Really nice. They're really well made. They come with a nice metal stake, so you can put it down into the ground. You can put it down more or up, depending, but overall great product, looks beautiful, and I highly recommend it. Hope you enjoy. Bye.